Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, feel so much welcome. Yes, my name is Ruth. I'm your financial advisor purely on insurance. So if you have any question about insurance, please ask. I'm here for you and I'm ready to help you. So today I'm in the office, and so sometimes you'll find me on the field, sometimes I'm in the office, but as I was here in the office, I was just thinking, I just have a lot of things to do. I just have a lot of contacts to call. So most of the time I'll just be here in the office, maybe making calls, and also sometimes I'll be out there attending appointments. So I'll always take you through out my day on how how my day unfolds. And please forgive me for not being consistent. Maybe today I do a video and then the next time I'll do a video. Oh my dear heavenly God, I don't know. It's after 2 months, but please forgive me. I think it's just the nature of my work, and also it's so demanding, taking videos, being out there with customers, thinking about other things. I'm just trying to balance everything and make sure that everything is flowing up to how it's supposed to be. So yeah, today it's my day. I'm just here in the office doing my office work, that is preparing on what I'm supposed to do, making calls. I have a lot of contacts. They are here, a lot of them, and I have to just book appointments, so that now this week I'll just be busy out in the field, not prospecting, not getting new contacts, but attending to appointments. So yeah, stay with me as I continue with my work. So yeah, this is the insurance work. So this is what sometimes I do. You see, like here it's written joint super max life. Now I just just do some review, and also some to remind myself when doing presentation, what are the key points, what do you need to remember, what do you have to tell your clients. Because I was just telling myself, like, I'm not like I am a doctor, like this is a profession. So I'm a doctor. In fact, I am an insurance doctor. Call me Dr. Insurance. I am an insurance doctor. So I have to, sometimes we just assume that people really know what insurance is, but people don't know. They don't have the knowledge of what insurance is, and that is why you find that insurance, it's not bought, it is sold. Because, for example, for me, I can't go to a shop to buy something that I don't know. They have to explain to me, what is this? Why am I buying it? Do I really need it? So me as a doctor insurance, I have to do a review. I have to remind myself the key point on what I'm going to tell my client, because they know nothing about insurance, and new people know nothing about insurance. So I'm your doctor. When you go to a doctor, you don't start telling the doctor, oh, you know what, give me this medicine. I think this medicine is the one that is favorable for me. No, you wait until the doctor ask you question, and then the doctor addresses whatever the issue is that you're going through. So it's just the same as me with my profession, with my insurance profession. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then because time is not on my side, and a lot, time is far much gone, and time inasonga, guy manzema, times inasonga. So we have to be very cautious about time. And even if you are young, wacha kuona ni kama you have a lot of time. Do some savings. Do some savings for yourself. You know, I was just telling myself, imagine 5 years, 5 years from now, I want to have a different experience. And let me tell you one thing, guy. You know, 5 years earlier, that was in 2020. You know, now we are in 2025. If you took a policy in 2020, now imagine, now you're going to get your own maturity. And I was just telling myself, what do you mean? Imagine if I took a policy in 2020. Oh my God, and I was still working. So if you're out there, Sahi, I'm happy because I already have a policy that is ongoing. I have a saving plan. So, and it's almost, but guy, I would really encourage young people, if you're there and you're watching me, guy, and you're somewhere working and receiving salary, please, just adjust that salary in such a manner that you can be able to get some point of savings, and let that money be deducted from your salary. Because at some point, or be deducted from the bank. Because at some point, if you say you are the one who will be saving from your M-Pesa, let me tell you, don't lie to yourself. You will find that things are going to come up, and you're going to use that money. So please, if you're out there, you are young, you are employed, consider taking an insurance. Please consider that. Consider taking an insurance. Consider taking a saving plan. I have been there. In 2020, I was there. Now I'm asking myself, why didn't I take a policy in 2020? God, what was I doing? What was I doing? Like, mbona, you know, you ask yourself, why didn't I take that policy then? Now, it could have been of so much value to me, because you have projects, you have what? And God, if you are young, oh my God, if you're in your 20s, please take an insurance policy. Please just take it. Just call me to ask, how can I join? Join, even with no mission. Join. Just join. Let me tell you one thing. Sahi, I have a lot of projects that zinagonga kwa kichwa yangu. But if in 2020 I took a policy, at this moment I would be getting my own. I would be financing these projects, financing them, because let me tell you one thing. In 5 years to come, your mind will be different. Skudanganyi, your mind will be different. And if you are not saving now, at that moment, you will need money to do a certain project or to do something, and you will not have it. Unaona? So it's better save. Even if you don't have, with time, let me tell you one thing. With time, these goals are going to pop up. Me, I didn't have like, in 2020, in 2021, I didn't have that much goal or that much project or bigger vision of what I really want or where I want to go. But at the moment, that's why I'm thinking, oh my God, if I had a policy, this is the time maturity would be happening. I would be able to finance these projects that I have. So if you are out there and manze, please take an insurance policy. Chukua insurance. If you're in your 20s, please take that in it. Hata kama ujui ni ya nini. Hata kama ujui in 2020, whatever, where will you be and please take that policy. It's gonna help you. I'm telling you for free. That is a free advice that I'm giving you. Let me tell you, by the way, it's a very free advice that I'm giving you. So we have very nice products, very nice insurance products, and I'm gonna be doing some videos about them because they are so nice. I would also love my people, I would really love my my words, my people to so I would really love my people to understand about this product. So I'll be doing some videos about them, and yeah, I believe that our God is going to help us to do it, you know. So yeah, I really love nini sitting down and doing some review about my nini. Napenda sana kufanya hizi reviews because it's out of these reviews I understand our products well, and I will be able even to explain to my customers in a very understandable way. Like they don't have to uh, they don't have to do it. They don't have to worry about anything. At this point, I began doing my review and also writing down the benefits, features, and also coming out with ways on how to handle objections, because when you're dealing out with clients, you're gonna get so many objections. So I was writing down and also doing reviews, coming up with ways on how to handle my customers. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you.